5 it is given that a lady bought a refrigerator for rupees 8800. So this 8800 is the CP and spent rupees 400 on its transportation. So this 400 is overhead expenses which she has to pay extra. At what price should she sell so as to gain 12%? So sell, that means we need to find selling price and gain is given to you. What is given? CP is given to you, overhead expenses is given to you, gain is given to you. You have to find selling price. So see, CP is equal to rupees 8800. Overhead expenses is equal to rupees 400. Now net CP is equal to rupees 8800 plus rupees 400, that is equal to rupees 9200. Is that clear? Now this is the CP given to you and gain is 12%, that means profit is 12%. You have to find SP. What is the formula for finding SP? I told you CP upon 100 into 100 plus P percent. CP upon 100 into 100 plus P percent. P percent means gain percent. Okay. Now substitute the values. Net CP is 9200 into 100 plus P percent, that is 12 upon 100. Cancel these two zeros by this. 92 into 112. Do the multiplication. It is rupees 10304. So the selling price is rupees 10,304. This is our answer. So what we have done, CP was given to us, overhead expenses was given. We calculate net CP, that is equal to 9200. Gain is 12%. So I find the SP using the formula CP by 100 into 100 plus P percent. Substitute the values and then solve it. Our answer is 10,304. Look at this problem. It is given that Jaya bought 2 sarees for rupees 800 each. She sold one at a gain of 5% and other at a loss of 4%. Find her gain or loss percent in whole transaction. That means we are having one case of gain and one case of loss. See, for gain it is 5%, loss it is 4%. Okay. Now CP for both the cases same, that is rupees 800. Still I mentioned for the case of gain as CP1 and CP2 as for the loss. Okay. Now I need to find selling price in both the cases. Now you know the formula of SP, that is CP by 100 into 100 plus P percent. Okay. And for loss, SP will be equal to CP by 100 into 100 minus loss percentage. Only the difference is plus P percent minus loss percent. Is that clear? Now substitute the values. Here CP is 800 and gain is 5%. Okay. Solve it. 840 rupees. This is the selling price of first saree. In case of loss, let us find out. 4%, 8 into 96. Rupees 768. So total CP is 800 plus 800. That is equal to 1600 and total SP is equal to 840 plus 768. 1600, SP is 1608. So it will be the case of profit or loss. Definitely it is profit. So profit is percentage will be equal to profit into 100 upon CP. Upon CP. Always in the denominator there will be CP. Now you can directly find out the profit because it is the profit of 8 rupees only. Multiply by 100 upon CP. CP is 1600. That is 1 by 2%, which can be written as 0.5%. This solves our problem. So whenever such type of problem is given to you, you have to find SP for the profit as well as for loss. Add both the CP, add both the SP, and then find out whether it is a case of profit or it is the case of loss, and find the net profit or net loss. Is that clear?